It with the sexy, sexy. It with the sexy. It with.
I think it's learning is not when I go to the fitness center or in the park or just run outside. It's sort of the time to be with myself, the time to kind of level up for this body that is living. So that's wonderful. Gratitude, happiness.
Why don't you come? We'll do it together. Shad? Yes. Sorry. खत्म करने दो का फोटोज SK they want us to do together. हाँ जी, हेलो.
पहले तो आप लोग बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहे हो.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
तो क्या फिटनेस मंत्र होता है आप लोगों का ऐसे हैंडसम एंड ब्यूटीफुल दिखने के लिए?
कियारा आप
अपना बता दो.
कियारा के बहुत ही मैं कियारा का बताता हूँ आपको. कियारा के बहुत ही यूनिक न्यूट्रिशनल आइडियाज़ हैं. वो बहुत नई डिशेस, बहुत अलग प्रकार के वेजिटेबल्स को अलग तरीके से पका के, जिसमें ना तेल हो ना नमक हो ना टेस्ट हो.
वो इसलिए कह रहे क्योंकि फर्स्टली मेरा खाना इनके डब्बे से आता था जब हम कबीर सिंह की शूट कर रहे थे.
जी.
So he's reminiscing that and remembering how
इन्होंने
I
मेरे
have-
कुक के साथ इतना अच्छा बर्ताव किया, इतना ज़्यादा प्यार दिया उनको कि फिल्म ख़त्म होने के बाद वो मुझे छोड़ के चले गए. उन्हें कमी महसूस हुई उस प्यार
He's
की.
listening so seriously. He's like so interested in his cook's food.
At least he's
but
interested,
he
the
is
others are sleeping. At least he's committed to his job.
good genes and a lot of workout and healthy food. And I was really lucky that I had a co-star like Shahid because इनके घर से जो खाना आता था बहुत ही diet friendly, healthy but फिर भी tasty था. So that's why he's remembering the good old days of our
Yeah.
good food days.
Yeah. Thank you.
Who are you wearing, Shahid? It's really cool. Really like the look today.
I'm wearing Sahil Aneja and I'm styled by Anisha Jain. And Kiara, who are you
I
wearing?
totally forgot who the designer was, but I'm styled by Manika. And
And
it's an
in case you want to
designer
know
for-
who's designed her, just go on her
Instagram
Instagram page and you
Thank
will
you.
see the tag. चिल्ड्रंस डे मैं तो अपने बच्चों के साथ मनाऊंगा. आप किसके बच्चों के साथ मनाएंगी चिल्ड्रंस डे?
मेरी मम्मी के पास एक स्कूल है. शी रन्स अ प्ले स्कूल. तो आई एम गोना गो टू हर स्कूल.
You never told me your mom has a play school.
Yeah, I told you, but I said
No,
very
no,
far
no,
for your
you never
babies
told
to
me.
come.
So do you go and play with those
I
babies
used to
like
actually
random
teach.
kids?
I
Do
used to
you go
actually
and like?
teach. I've changed diapers.
Are you that shady auntie who the kids say ये कौन है?
Just shut up.
ओके शायद सर आपको बहुत ही पसंद किया गया आपकी जो रिसेंट मूवी आई थी कपिल सिंह और ये साल की सारी जो अवार्ड है वो कहना है कि आपको ये मिलने वाली है. तो क्या कहना चाहिए? अच्छा फील करते हैं.
नहीं, I mean देखिए अवार्ड सीजन जब शुरू होगा तब देखेंगे. आई एम जस्ट वेरी हैप्पी विद द लव दैट द ऑडियंस गेव द फिल्म और वी बोथ आर एब्सोल्युटली thankful and grateful and we've said all that we had to say about how much love Kabir Singh got and yeah, so we're very fortunate, very happy and very thankful.
And that was the biggest story.
वो तो आप बताओ. No, of course, half the times I post any pictures, वो कियारा जब भी कुछ फोटो पोस्ट कर दिए तो क्या बोलते हैं लोग?
तो एक पहला पिक्चर मेरा आएगा, उसके नीचे शाहिद का बाइक वाला. कोई इसे टच नहीं करेगा. किसने टच किया on him riding. So I think those memes are still really making us happy.
Yes. Wishing her all the best of
Speedy
health
recovery.
and a speedy recovery
Prayers.
and you know she's a legend and we wish her just really good health and all our love.
Shahid, you're playing a cricketer in your next.
Yes.
How is that coming along? Are you getting like, there's a
Yeah, you know, I used to think that I'm a really good cricketer because I used to play in school. I used to open for my school and all. I forgot the fact that there has been a long gap when I've not played cricket. You know, it's fun to play cricket when you just do it like that, but when you're playing a cricketer in a film, you need to get the technique right and you need to dedicate a lot of time to it. So I'm trying my best to give it as much time as I can because I think we are in a time where authenticity is very important. I don't think as an actor you can get away you know, without being very convincing about playing a sports person. So I'm trying my best to get as close as I can. I'm padded up and I'm practicing every day with the season ball and with all the gear. And yeah, so jersey will come out next year in August. So yeah. Sorry? My favorite cricketer? I have a lot of favorites. I think Sachin Tendulkar is everybody's favorite. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the finest captain we've had, and in current times, I think Virat Kohli is an inspiration to everybody. And a special mention, obviously, to Yuvraj for the fact that he fought cancer and came back. I think that's very inspirational.
Shahid, one question, any particular fitness where you feel, that is the very toughest thing,
Kiara's way. Kiara's way of staying fit is very tough. She's a very dedicated girl and she's very committed to the cause of fitness, and I'm very inspired by Kiara and I hope that I can follow in her footsteps.
Done. I'll send you my diet.
But you're really committed.
Shahid, even there's B83 coming out next year, which is based on the same subject, which is cricket. Ranveer is playing a cricketer. There are comparisons which are bound to happen. How are you ready to face them?
Yeah, I mean, one is aware that there are 2 cricket films coming out next year. There might be a third also, we never know. 83 is a wonderful subject and I wish them all the best. I mean, it's about India triumphing at the 83 World Cup and that's something everybody wants to watch. Jersey is a very personal film. It's a human journey and it touched me deeply. It's a very emotional film. So I'm guessing both films must have their own individual identity and I'm looking forward to seeing 83, definitely.
We just started. The main chunk of the film will start in January. I'm very, very excited to start that film. But before that, I'm fingers crossed good news is coming out. So now gearing up for that.
Disruptor of the year. Well, I guess Kabir Singh was the disruptor of the year.
Disrupted the box office.
He's a disruptive personality and he disrupted Preeti's life also for a certain period of time. But yeah, Kabir Singh was definitely a film that went beyond everybody's expectations. And this kind of disruption is good. Let's hope we can continue next year as well. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just visuals they want. Visuals they want.
They want to visual.
Yes. Here. Done.
Waiting for her. She's petrified of gowns, so I'm waiting. She doesn't
Actually,
fit,
so
yeah.
am I. I've got this
Petrified.
trail at the back.
You're doing fab.
जी हम आ रहे हैं, हम आ रहे हैं, और मैडम इनका भी.
Congratulations, Parinita. You'll have never met.
Yeah. Okay, they want to do a.